Lawrie, thank you very much for an excellent presentation. It was interesting, it was funny, and lots of people took notes. I think you did a great job.
Thank you, Katya. Thank you.
One of the things that we've heard in the last 2 years from all the defense agencies is that money is short, money is being cut.
Right.
Obviously, money has been cut.
Right.
How do you think this is going to affect the industry, and what do you think that means for the future for the industry?
Wow, good question. Well, we have this old saying there, to every cloud there's a silver lining, and I believe this really represents that. As budgets get reduced within government agencies, they have the opportunity to streamline the number of software packages and to consolidate. So this is good for a number of reasons. You'll see integration among the technology, fewer packages that do more capabilities. It reduces the cost to the government, and the users become the eventual winners because they have fewer choices to deal with. So I think it's an actual wonderful opportunity in disguise for commercial vendors such as ours.
Air Marshal Stuart Peach this morning mentioned one of his themes was make things simpler and easier for the user. More users want more things, and they need to be simpler. How are you adjusting to this? What are you doing? What does it mean to your business?
I think the Air Marshal has it exactly right and spot on. This is the thing that all the users ask about. Can we just make this more easy to use and simpler, faster, less expensive, and a lot less complicated? So this is a trend that I see happening among the developers of tools like us. We want to make things very easy to use by non-technical people, yet preserve the science and the integrity and the accuracy underneath. So it's a very special challenge, and it's something that I'm personally very, very fond of. So I believe we're already seeing that happen in today's products. It's a very exciting time, and users are telling us how much easier it is to use than even a few years ago.
In terms of technology, where do you see the most growth? What is going to grow? Which part of GeoInt is going to grow the most in the next 2 to 3 years?
Well, I would say I'll divide that into two questions. There's geographic growth, and then there's technology growth. Geographically, I see the tide rising and all the boats go up with it. Another way of saying the whole globe is an expanding market. So we see growth across all continents, across all cultures. It's a very, very exciting time. Certain economies like India and China are growing very rapidly. And interestingly, they both have aggressive, rigorous, rich remote sensing and satellite programs. So we're very pleased and impressed with that. Technically on growth, we see imagery as being a key component of a GIS, a core to GIS. Imagery is an enabling technology. People understand what they see. And imagery can really help GIS become much more than the simple sum of its parts. So we see great growth in imagery, and that's evident really here throughout the conference.
Lawrie, thank you very much, and thank you for doing such a splendid job on the podium this morning.
Thank you.